So here we are a few days later after the Samsung Galaxy S10 announcement and launch. Tons of great videos hitting the internet surrounding the coverage of this device. But as much as I love their new device, their new design, no one's really talking or uploading videos about the Samsung Galaxy Fold. In my opinion, that was the most exciting announcement of the conference. I know it's expensive at $1,900 US, but come on. Look at the competition. Look what we've been seeing in foldable display technology over the last 6 months. We saw something from Royale, we saw something from Xiaomi, and quite frankly, they look like used toilet paper with a D-brand skin slapped onto it compared to the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now, I'm not trying to discredit them. I'm glad they're pushing innovation forward, but Samsung's just been sitting there in the background quietly refining this product to basically present to us this year in 2019. Now, I'm excited. This is something you would think of in a sci-fi movie, being able to take out a phone and make the display bigger without having to carry 2 separate devices. Imagine the situation. You're on the subway, you're playing a game at 4.6 inches, which is the screen size when the phone itself is folded, and all of a sudden, you want to read a book. You simply just open it up into tablet portion and you have a huge display. Same goes for media consumption, same goes for using maps. Whatever you want a bigger display for, your phone will turn into a tablet. This will also change the tablet industry. No longer are we gonna have generally purpose tablets at very expensive prices. You'll see smaller, cheaper tablets for regular media consumption, and then you're gonna have your foldable phones. Phones that act as tablets, making sure you don't have to carry 2 devices at the same time. Then you're gonna have your professional tablets, like the iPad Pros or the Galaxy Tab Pros that are used for certain industries. It's funny though, because a lot of people on Twitter were complaining about the little notch on the top right-hand corner when you open it up into tablet mode. Do I need to repeat myself? Compared to the competition, the other prototypes we have seen, this is a minor annoyance in the meantime. This is a first-gen product, and the design they showcased on stage during Samsung Unpacked was absolutely amazing. In fact, I honestly felt like I was at an Apple event. Even the wallpapers on the device remind me of some of the wallpapers that Apple used in previous conferences. Look, 4.6 to 7.3 inches, you have an AMOLED display, you have the same hardware that's inside the Galaxy S10, you still have the same exact lenses for taking photos, you have this beautiful hinge system that basically works as the spine of the device to keep making sure that the device itself doesn't snap open or break apart 2 or 3 years down the road. In fact, they did a lot of testing on it, and you can basically open it up 100 times per day for the next 5 years, and that hinge should stay intact. I know this sounds like a little bit of a fanboy video, and quite frankly, I'm not a fanboy. It's just been a while since we had some true innovation in the smartphone market. And it's crazy that Samsung has something this polished compared to the prototypes we've seen from other companies. Now, some of those examples are just minor ones, but I'm sure it's gonna open up a lot more opportunities to create other use cases for a foldable phone. Right now, it's hard to say if the software on it will be any good. I'm sure there's gonna be tons of glitches. Android 9.0 is just not made for foldable phones in general, and we won't see any refinement until Android 10. Now, obviously, as more of these products come to the market, that $2,000 price tag will be shrinked, and we'll see a lot more competitive products that we can actually afford. So that pretty much wraps up my little opinion on the Samsung Galaxy Fold. It's something new, it's something different. I think a lot of us should be really excited about it. Anyways, that wraps up this little rant. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out all my links below on the Samsung Galaxy S10 coverage. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.